Hi, welcome to the ASL 2 semester exam review. Okay, make sure that you understand spatial visualization such as describing a house and a floor plan. How do you sign arrive correctly? Be on time. When will you arrive home? Or when? Arrive home when? How do you sign future correctly? One day, I will become a doctor. Or one day, I will have 3 children. Which sentence uses the literal sign have? Does it have a garage? Does it have stairs? What should you do instead of signing he said, she said? You should shoulder shift. What is the order when describing physical characteristics? Gender, height, body type, hair, eyes, clothing, and accessories. What is shoulder shifting? It is a way to distinguish several pieces of information in a signed sentence. It's a way to separate information, more than one idea that's in the same sentence, or it's a way to contrast many pieces of information in a signed sentence. Where is the age spot? On the chin. Where's the time spot? On the wrist. Where's the money spot? On the forehead. Which ASL technique is used most often when providing many details about one person? The listing technique. Name signs that are jobs that do not use the agent marker are coach, principal, doctor, nurse, cheerleader. Signs that do use the agent marker: student, teacher, artist, athlete. Where are the tense markers in ASL? Past is over the shoulder or behind the body. Past is behind the body, future is over the shoulder, and present is at the body. Numbers 1 to 9 can be incorporated into a sign. This is called the rule of 9. Many ASL nouns and verbs, such as cut and scissors, share every parameter except movement. The movement is different. The verb always has the movement. Airplane, fly. Chair, sit. Cut, scissors. When using the sign during, give me an example of using the sign during. In the summer, I swim. In the fall, I hike. We don't sign in, right? We say during. What was created due to opposing players being able to see their team signs and planned plays? The football huddle. We have 3 different types of schools for the deaf: mainstream, oral, or deaf institute. What kind is East High School? It's mainstreamed. What are different examples of ASL literature? ABC stories, number stories, and classifier stories. What is initialization? History, biology, geometry, those are good examples. They use the hand shape that starts with the letter of the word. What is conceptually accurate signing? It's being able to distinguish between meanings and the concepts of ideas and their signs. What is signing conceptually? It's where the meaning is conveyed, not the vocabulary of that particular sign. How do you use the sign experience correctly? I've gone skydiving. I have never gone scuba diving. Never experienced me. How do you use the sign finish correctly? Baseball practice, me, finish. Shower, finish. What are the 5 parameters? Hand shape, location, movement, palm orientation, and non-manual signals. What is the rule? Oh, when can you use the rule of 9? Age, time, weeks, months, days, cents, and dollars. Like 3 years old, 3 o'clock, 3 weeks, 3 months, 3 days, 3 cents, $3. When do you use verb tense with the rule of 9? 3 weeks ago, 2 years ago, and a few days. Which sign accompanies the mouth morpheme fish? Finish. What sign includes if happen, just in case? If there's an accident, you should call 911. If happen. Which sign includes drink nothing, sober? Alcoholic, he now drink nothing. Which sign includes can, possible, can. All of the following medical words are fingerspelled. Ounce, pound, blue, ID. What sign would you use for the word sound, as in sound mind? Sound mind. Healthy, not this. This means noise. What sign would you include for the word pretend? Fake. Or fool. You could do fool. What is the order that you sign nature descriptions? Well, what is it? Is it a mountain? What is it made of? Rocks, grass. What is the color, the shape, details, and your opinion? How do you sign population? Number people or animals. Number animals. What classifier is used for a building? Claw. In transportation, which classifier is used to describe riding inside a vehicle? A bent V. What is spatial visualization? It's when you describe the surroundings of a house or other structure by describing where something is in relationship to other things. When do you use spatial visualization? When you use spatial visualization, it is important what? What are some rules? You need to start with the big picture, broad. Then you get narrower and narrower, selecting specific things. You need a starting point. Normally, it's the word enter. You describe what your eyes see as you move around the room. You show distance by using the sign over there or eye gaze, like concepts such as nearby, not too far, next to, across from, are shown how? By using 2 hands with the claw. You can move this around. When do you use the twisting dollar sign? For dollars 1 through 9. $1, $2, 3, 10, must have the dollar sign. When would you use the cents? When you are signing cents only, like 50 cents or 9 cents, or I have 75 cents. Which community signs are fingerspelled only? Apartment, condo, duplex. What mouth morpheme do you include with the sign for mansion? When is the dollar sign required for money? When you're signing dollars by themselves, like $50, $60, $75. Remember, if it's 1 through 9, you can do this. That's fine. But over 9 must include dollar. Whose perspective do you consider when understanding directions or floor plans? Always the signer's perspective. Which words are fingerspelled? Tip, zoo, pool, SUV, mile, mall. What are the 3 basic spatial visualization locations? Near, far, and right there. What does touch finish mean? I've been there. Touch finish. What do you sign for you take after? You would say face strong or look same. What does the word topography mean? It means a map. Okay, also included in your review is chapters 1 through 9. I suggest that you study the last few chapters, 7, 8, and 9. Make sure that you understand the vocabulary. I want you to use this time to look over the vocab. You can ask me if you forgot a sign or a friend, but we are going to silently study for 20 minutes, and then we will begin the exam. Good luck!